You can't see it from space, but it protects millions of people, stores billions of tons of carbon, and quietly holds whole coastlines together. This is the story of the world's mangroves, Earth's invisible shield. Hi, today we're diving into mangrove forests. What they are, how they survive where land meets sea, why they're climate superheroes and storm shields, what's destroying them, and how communities are bringing them back. Half the world's mangrove forests have disappeared in just 50 years. These salt-loving trees grow right where the ocean meets the shore, protecting coastlines from storms and providing homes for countless species. But here's the thing. We cleared massive areas for shrimp farms, ports, and development. Centuries of sustainable use turned into decades of destruction. But recent satellite mapping has actually found something encouraging. The losses are slowing down. Some regions are even seeing recovery as communities realize what they've lost. We're finally mapping every mangrove forest on Earth, tracking what's left and where we need to act. The question is, will we protect them before it's too late? They survive where most trees can't thanks to clever tricks. Specialized root systems let them breathe in oxygen-poor mud. Salt-filtering roots and leaves help them thrive in harsh conditions. Seeds germinate while still attached to the parent, a strategy called vivipary. These adaptations let mangroves trap sediment, build soil, and slowly rise with the tide. Practical guides from coastal forestry experts explain these traits in detail. Mangroves act like natural breakwaters. Their trunks and tangled roots dissipate wave energy. They slow storm surge, reduce coastal erosion, and protect villages. Studies show substantial wave and surge attenuation for even relatively narrow mangrove belts. They're also vital nurseries for fish and shrimp. They support coastal fisheries and livelihoods. Mangroves are blue carbon champions. Per unit area, they store far more carbon than many terrestrial forests. Much of that carbon is locked deep in waterlogged soils. Here, decomposition is slow. Protecting and restoring mangroves is one of the most cost-effective natural climate solutions we have. Yet mangroves are under pressure. Coastal development, conversion to aquaculture, pollution, altered river flows, and increasingly climate-driven sea level rise and extreme storms. Global assessments show past decades of loss. Recent monitoring indicates some stabilization where protections are enforced. Restoration works, but only when it respects how mangroves naturally recover. Best practice approaches focus first on restoring natural hydrology. This means addressing water flow, removing the causes of degradation, and enabling natural regeneration. Where planting is needed, community-led, site-appropriate methods are essential. Long-term monitoring is also crucial. Blue carbon financing and community payments can make restoration viable at scale. But projects need strong science, fair benefit sharing, and proper monitoring. So, mangroves are more than trees at the water's edge. They're shields, nurseries, and carbon banks. Protect the mangroves near you, support local restoration groups, and push for policies that stop conversion of these ecosystems. If you liked this deep dive, follow for more, and share this with someone who loves the coast.